Welcome to CHAO PHRAYA River. It is also known as the River of Kings. It is formed by four major tributaries including Ping, Wang, Yom, and Nan rivers. It was and still is a very important waterway for the people of central Thailand. Many people call the banks of the CHAO PHRAYA River home. Others use the river to get to and from work almost every day. For others, it is a way of life and ultimately the main source of income. There are 5 different types of express boat river taxis. Uno flag local line, blue flag line, which is the tourist boat, orange flag line, yellow flag line, and a green flag line. Boats with no flag, the local line, stops at every pier, runs Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Costs around 10 to 20 baht. Blue flag, the tourist boat, stops at various points as you please. Runs daily from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Costs around 40 baht per trip or 100 baht for an all-day pass. Orange flag stops at the main piers. Runs daily from 5:50 a.m. to 7 p.m. Costs around 15 baht per journey. Yellow flag, large express boat for commuters. Runs Monday to Friday from 6:15 a.m. to 7 a.m. and from 4:45 p.m. to 8 p.m. Costs around 20 to 29 baht. The canal trip allows visitors to glimpse of everyday Thai life on the water. Kids swim in the canal with the catfish and the monster-like monitor lizards. Also, the canal tour gives you an up-close view of the traditional Thai homes. Longtail captains know just where to slow down and stop, so smiling local vendor will paddle up next to us. They are selling cold drinks, straw hats, postcards, and bread to feed the ravenous catfish. We bought the local beer for 40 baht. Many Thais believe it is good luck to feed the fish, and you can do it many places around Bangkok. You'll find vendors selling food or loaves of bread for about 10 baht at the piers along the CHAO PHRAYA River or at the floating markets. The monitor lizards, however, are not dangerous to humans, eating mainly dead fish, turtles, and birds.
Bye-bye.
Longtail boat are colorful and super cool, and they have giant car engines in them with a long tail propeller. Don't miss out on this adventure. Make your way to any riverside pier and either hire a longtail boat for 400 to 600 baht per person. If you want to see the Grand Palace or Wat Pho, then take the regular river boat. No need for the tourist boat. A longtail boat is typically used to tour the Tanbury canals as the big boats don't go there. However, to charter a longtail boat on the CHAO Phraya, you often need to haggle at the piers, and many riders report having been charged anywhere from 700 baht or 21 US dollars to 2,500 baht or 75 US dollars per person. If you stay at a riverside hotel, they can arrange a boat for you at a commission rate, which typically works out to be around 2,000 baht or 60 US dollars for 2 hours. Some company offers 1 hour rides for 600 baht or 18 US dollars per person, and 2-hour family rides for 2,700 baht or 81 US dollars. Most homes have open verandas and steeply pitched roofs that allow the inside heat to rise and the summer monsoon rains to run off. Many appear to be shacks, but others are neatly and lovingly decorated with colorful flower boxes and brightly painted facades. Most of the Bangkok floating markets are open on weekdays. A few of them are set up only on weekends.
Sunday and Saturday only.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Click bell notification to be able to notify you on our next videos. Goodbye.